I don't know where that one is actually.
Fucking tail.
Ooh, oh, this thing squirts. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Did you get the,
don't say anything dumb.
Okay. I'm tempted to though. So what's the plan for tomorrow?
I don't know, you got English. English is killing, man. We used to just 12 o'clock.
That didn't stop us from doing something last week.
Yeah, but I mean, like before, you guys had English.
Oh yeah, we're all over the place, man. Oh no, I'm definitely gonna have to do something after class because I need to like de-stress.
Yeah.
Like this week has been hella weird for me, dude. It's been like highly unmotivated. It's like not wanting to do shit, just being fucking lazy.
Oh, what's this?
I don't know. I think my cousin pissed me off this weekend.
The fuck?
Hello, folks.
It was just her.